Hey there everybody, you're watching one of my videos. You know I got another build. I keep building the builds and I keep showing you the builds. I enjoy the builds and I enjoy showing them to you. And as long as you guys keep watching them, I will keep showing them. So, I got a good one here today. Today, did an old re-release here, or I should say it's an older kit, but a current re-release actually. It is an MPC. It is from the Super Stocker Series, the Pontiac GTO Super Stocker Series. If I can get it on the camera. There we go. Hey, hey. So, I am a sucker for Pontiacs. I'm a sucker for race cars. So, got a double whammy on this one. So, let me tell you, this kit here, okay, so I know it's an older kit, older molding, older tooling, I think I should call it. The kit wasn't bad. It just takes a little time. I don't want to say it fought me, but some of the pieces didn't fit very well together. There was a lot of flash on the kit, so there was a lot of cleanup. But overall, the kit was actually really good. You just got to take your time with it. You know, this is not a beginner kit. So, with that being said, let me show you what I did with the 1970 Pontiac GTO Super Stocker Kit. And in a 3, a 2, a 1. Da, 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 da. So, there we go. Let you soak that in for a little second or two. I gotta tell you, I think it came out looking really, really sharp. Not my best work, and I'll show you some ups and downs here in a second. So, this kit here, I painted it in Duplicolor. That's Duplicolor. Just a little back there. It's a GM color. It is Bahama Blue Metallic. This is a cool color. I did it over Duplicolor Silver, which is actually the silver on the hood. You kind of buff it out a little bit, and it gets that real nice metallic silver. I really like this. This is a cool color. And with the decaling that came with, the orange-yellow stripes there, really, really sharp. I left the hood silver only because the 400 cubic inch markings were pretty much the same blue. So I figured, hey, you know what? Let's leave it. The Goodyear tires I really love. I painted them the Rust-Oleum Chrome. The wheels, not the tires. The wheels I painted the Rust-Oleum Chrome, which is a really, really cool color. I really, really like that. The Goodyear tires are just top notch. I love those tires. I did silver trim work around. Most of that was in pen. Where the door handles used to be. The headlights. Headlights were a little difficult for me to do. I'm not a precision painter, I should say. There was a lot of cleanup on the hood and around the front. A lot of flashing. It took me about a day to do that. The bar sits a little low, but looks okay. It's alright. It's going to work for me. The exhaust comes out the side. Little tight fit there to squeeze that through. Unfortunately, the body does not come off. There's not a nice chassis work underneath all this. The body doesn't come off easily, I should say. So I'll put up some pictures in a second here. The rear bumper kind of fits a little squirrely. That was the best I could do, and even that it kind of fell a little bit. There's a piece that goes underneath it that for some reason I forgot to put on. So I totally forgot to paint it. But it's a race car, so hey. My MPC model kits that come with the MPC logo, I always put that on the back window. Kind of like I do my AMTs in the front window. The interior, like I said, hard to see. So I'll load up some pictures right here. Kind of finicky with it. The roll cage goes together. Like I said, there was a lot of flash. Got to take your time putting it together. A lot of holding pieces together that are gluing. But overall, I didn't have any problems with it. It just took time. It just took time. Like I said, this is not a beginner kit. This is not give your kids this kit for the first model. This is a, you know, more of experience model here. Alright, so let me open up the engine here. The silver hood. The engine, not a lot of detail going on, but it looks cool. I put the one valve cover on backwards. The hole should be on the other side. It looks like there's a fuel line that goes across that I did not put on. I did the engine in the Chevy orange, aluminum and silver parts. The headers are steel. Did the hose blue just because. Roll cage, obviously, you saw I did it in black. Thought it was cool. I thought it was a good contrast of colors. I don't want everything the same color. And I thought it was good contrast. So, everything fit pretty well. Well, it looks good when you put it together. My one tire here sits out way far. It seems to be a theme on my models lately. One of my rear tires kind of comes out a little far. Going on this side, can you see in there? It's hard to see where the driver sits. I like that rear view mirror there. This is a decent little kit. Let me show you underneath. It was all done by acrylic paints. The chassis, roll cage was all acrylic, so it was all hand painted this time. Did it a little different there. Normally I spray paint everything. This time I just kind of hand painted it. It's a little finicky when you get the, oh, I already said that, but the exhaust through the side of the car there, it goes underneath the this piece here. Well, you put that on afterwards, but yeah, it's a little finicky, but it works. So, I don't have negative to say about it. It's not the most positive kit I've done, but it's not, not a bad kit. It looks sharp, and it's going to look cool on the on my shelf with the rest of the cars. If you're wondering why there's no number on it, I chose not to put a number on it because I like the striping so much I didn't want to cover it up and ruin it. I just thought it looked pretty badass. Alright, so here's my 1970 MPC Pontiac GTO Super Stocker in the Super Stocker series. I know they're re-releasing a bunch of these Super Stockers kits. I don't know why I couldn't think of the word kit, but I know they're re-releasing a bunch of these, and I think I would definitely build another one if they ever come out with the Camaro, or if it is out again. I would definitely consider it. I'm pretty sure the chassis is the same, body would be different, but I would definitely consider it. So, it does get my recommendation, but like I said, not as a beginner kit. Alright everybody, hey, thanks for watching. I always appreciate everybody watching. If you enjoyed it, hit thumbs up, write me, I'll write you back. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, anything to make my videos better, just let me know. I'm open to everything. I do this for you guys. So, this is what I got. And like I said, I thank you for watching. So wherever you're at in the world when you're watching this, I hope you're doing well, and love everybody.